Hey guys, it's Tay Tay, and in this video, me and Camera Boy are gonna be building bases in Minecraft. His skin won't show up on my screen, cause I don't know why actually. So yeah, let's get to it. So okay, so now I'm first person. Let's see his base because he started. So this is what he has right now. What is that? Okay. Yeah, he has to empty out all the water after. I'm laughing at what you said. Guys, my voice still isn't here, so yeah. Just find a spot for my base. I'm gonna go over here. Wait, that's too close to his base, isn't it? I am just gonna go. Why are you changing your voice so much? Like you, okay, hi, hello. It's weird. Like you don't have to change your voice.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this isn't a good spot. Like actually.
I'm a slow builder.
Mhm.
I like taking my time on builds though.
Okay, here's a good spot, but yeah, that's good.
This is.
Dang it, it's raining.
This is gonna take a second.
Please clear up. Just randomly started raining. Okay, let's get blocks.
Yeah.
I want some like
Someone put it
purple
on there, but no one did.
yeah.
It's very weird.
Okay, weird. Who won't let me? Okay, so I am gonna take this block.
I'm almost done. Oh wait, no, I'm not almost done. The walls.
Oh my gosh.
2 out of 4. I'm halfway done.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the base, which is gonna be this.
Yeah, I'm halfway done the basement.
I said base. I said base. So base. I'm gonna have to go a little further out, and my basement isn't gonna be as big as the actual house. Yeah.
So this is gonna be hard.
And his is underwater right now, or is really tall. So let's see, is that good enough? Yeah.
Get out of my build. Get out. I said get out.
Okay. Hudson. Or Camera Boy. Why do I keep on calling you Hudson? Like, Camera Boy. Oh my god. Well, in Minecraft, yeah.
Guys, comment in the comments if it's normal to kill a fish.
They can't comment. The comments are turned off. Unless they are, then do it. If they're on, then do it. If they're off, then don't do it. Because you can't. They're not on. Like, that's the default thing. They're not on. Is that far enough down or too far down? Too far down. That's probably good. Okay. basement is literally gonna be this portion of the house. Right now it looks like it's small F.
Yeah.
It's not for long. It's gonna look for a P, like a P at one point.
Yeah, it kind of does look like this.
It also won't be as long. What? What are you laughing at? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, where is that? Where are you? Where are you? I want to see it. Oh my god, I've never seen this. It's a snail. It looks like. No, it looks like an octopus with. You can tame it? With what? I'll update you if he has started riding it before I am done with his workout again. And or I'll update it when I'm done my base. Okay guys, I am done with this part and now we're gonna go see Camera Boy's base. Oops, I meant to press this. I'm thinking.
Hello.
Hi. We're literally sitting right beside each other.
Oh yeah.
This is his base so far. Got the stairs. Cool. I gotta change the floor of my base because it's all concrete and I don't want that. And I like this floor that he has. Like this. Yeah. Do you have the darker version, Hutch? For Camera Boy?
Look how bright it is.
Yeah, you do, see?
No, I don't have that version. I just have
You have that one. Okay, I'm gonna go break the floor and put these blocks down. That would be crazy.
Oh my god,
Guys.
I'm a mountain.
Guys, what would you think of a podcast? Oh wait, you can't comment. Oh my god. I'll try and turn comments on. But if it doesn't work, like the video or tag, or if you can post videos, maybe tag me in a video saying yes, even if it's like one that I don't even use. I honestly don't know. If I do turn on comments, comment down below of what you would think of a podcast with me and Camera Boy or me and someone else. Just talking about a random topic. And if you can comment what you would think, and if you think yes, for a topic for us to talk about.
We'll choose one from the comments.
Yeah, we will choose one.
You'll be lucky if you get ours.
Yes, and we'll be playing Minecraft, but talking and like having a conversation.
We're looking forward to this.
Yeah.
With the water falling down the windows.
I don't know how you got that, but
It's just because I
Tommy Tay.
I meant Tay-Tay. Not Tay-Tay. It's just one of my friends' names.
No, that's me. It's just I don't go by my real name. You have to literally search up my. You have to search up at to get me. So. Well, subscribers just have to look at subscriptions and do the subscriptions.
Okay,
That's what. Or something like, I think they call it subscriptions. Yeah. Oh my god, Dad's home. I'm sorry. Okay guys, I finished filling out the floor. Now we're gonna do the stairs, I think. Whoa.
Wait,
Tay-Tay.
Tay-Tay.
Okay, so I'm working on the stairs right now. All this day is on now, but this stinking rain. Tay-Tay!
Tay-Tay. Lima beans.
What about
I'm making lima beans.
odd thing to make it okay?
I'm not actually making lima beans.
I figured that.
It's too hot. I don't even know what lima beans look like. Baby chicken! Baby chicken!
Oh my god, stop Stop. I know what to call it. I was trying to figure out how to. I was gonna say stop fanboying over baby chickens, but stop going crazy over baby chickens.
There you go.
They're just baby chickens.
And they're so cute. They're so cute. Have you seen them?
Yes, I have seen them.
They're so cute.
Uh-huh. Just you don't need to go crazy over them. That's what I'm trying to say.
Get in the dot. I have walls up here. I don't want you going in the water, so just put down there. No. I'm not going up there. I'm blocking the entrance door. To go out. There, you won't get out from there. You little chicken. You're trying to get out. You're trying to go in the basement too.
Tay-Tay.
Tay-Tay, yeah.
Camera boy apparently doesn't know my name. What the do not understand how that happened, but why does it keep on doing that? I keep getting mad. I just heard a weird sound, and a sheep showed out of nowhere.
Imagine I set myself to survival mode this hour.
That would be crazy.
I'm in survival mode.
What's in?
I made myself
Is it going? Is it going to what's in my Camera boy, I'm okay, so I have done the top part of this. And now let's go see my brother Camera boy's base. Okay, some green here and there.
1, 2, 3.
And apparently we can't go downstairs.
Yeah, because there's a baby chicken down there. I don't want to escape.
Can I go down?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to replace the box though. Why are you
He's escaping.
No, stay down there.
Baby.
Oh, it's out. Oh my god, actually I have not ever seen a baby chicken.
They're so cute, right?
Yeah.
Get back.
Do you when you spawn chickens in, are they babies?
No. Okay, come on down.
Okay, this is his
This is
thing.
gonna be the baby chick sanctuary.
How do you get a baby chicken?
I just found it.
Go fill it in. And get out of survival mode.
Why?
Because you're not going to be able to build very well.
Yeah, but probably should. Because then I have to build up.
Yeah.
Okay. The one that little tower, that's because I was decided to build it.
Okay, I don't think I need this much space. It's not the type of house I want anymore, but whatever. I need this much space. This random purple stuff is gonna go. Because I did way too much space. Even though I wanted it to be partly You're not getting me. You agreed. I don't have any money. Boy, stop. You can't say that when I'm filming. 1 second, I'm gonna have a talk with him. Okay. Yeah, I'm building this little torch thingy. It's flower. I do not like that. Or what I just did. I do not like it. What are you doing over here? No, never mind.
Just saying.
It's fine. I just. It's very weird looking from the outside. But we're going up the stairs right here. But I'm going to do the upstairs first. We have a dining table with some chairs. And a kitchen. This is just barrels, certain cactus cupboards. And yeah, these are very nice. This thing that's kind of my way over here. This one right here. And a crafting table. And then we're gonna go down. Yeah, random placing of lights down upstairs and downstairs. Of course, I did that. I don't want to see your wardens. Okay.
No, you can't spawn water.
Haha.
You know what? You used to be able to.
Okay, I'm doing the tour of my house. Okay, now we go downstairs. And there's this weird, ugly couch with the TV, or what is acting as the TV. You can actually sit in it. And yeah. And then we go over here, and the babies have grown up. Oh shoot. No, you're not holding me. Of course you sat in the thing. Oh my god. Okay, whatever.
You don't want to know what's happening.
All but one baby has grown up.
Yeah, you might not want to come over.
Don't mind what I'm doing. Sorry, chicken. Baby chicken. One sec. Okay, so that's a room full of chickens. They really want to get out. I've lost a whole bunch already, so they're just right here. Yeah. This room is my bedroom. There's a bookshelf. That's supposed to be a side table and a bed. And you can see the ocean and all the fishies that might be out there, and bees, because camera boy let out a whole bunch of bees. Okay, yeah, you can see all the fishies, and camera boy let out a whole bunch of bees, which I'm scared of. Yeah, oh, and I forgot to tell you, you can see all the fishies out here, and right now it's bees. Yes, they go underwater. He doesn't have time to finish his. See what I'm talking about? Bees on top of bees. And yeah, this is his base so far. Down in the bottom, I'm just going to show you through here. It's a whole bunch of chickens. Okay guys, that was all for today. Hope you liked this video. And so subscribe. Bye.